So you've probably seen many of them around.
You're trying to get a new job or trying to attract girls or to expand your business.
Recently, I've started reading the 48 Laws of Power.
All you need is a service or a product or knowledge or information, anything that you can give to someone and they will give you money in exchange for it.
They have no credibility, no proof of what they're talking about, yet they give a multitude of advice ranging from dating advice to financial advice and how to make money and getting rich. Then they offer a free consulting or a program that they claim will change your life and help you achieve your goals. Well, these are what I call the HAMZA clones. So many of you know who this is, right? This is HAMZA. He's like the top self-improvement YouTuber out there. Being the top comes with some sort of problems, right? One of them being that you get people like this, and like this. They basically emulate the top person to hopefully get some sort of success. You've seen that with Mr. Beast when Mr. Beast was the top, and you get many clones of him who try to emulate his style and success. The thing is, that's not bad. Well, it is kind of bad, but that's not the problem. The problem is when someone who's at the top of the leaderboard, like HAMZA, is giving advice on finance, dating, something that people live and like if given wrong can mess up their whole life. People who copy HAMZA are giving life advice which, if their advice is wrong, could really mess up someone's life. There's no problem in copying someone and being a copycat, but if you're copying someone being a copycat and giving advice that could potentially mess up someone else's life, that's where the problem is. So let me give you an example. You see this guy. He's got 700 subscribers. No one knows who he is, okay? And he claims $2,000 in 20 minutes. These videos are so easy to produce. You just put the camera and start talking. You don't need any qualification, any like proof in a sense that you're giving the right advice. And that's where the biggest flaw of these HAMZA clones lie. Who use this, right? You use this video. So he's just putting the camera. He looks like a regular kid and has no proof of what he's saying.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. But the truth is, probably an easier route to get into this space. Well, I know experience.
So he just goes on to give some financial advice throughout the video. And then, if you ever bother to scroll in the description of these HAMZA clones, you see one thing. You see a link. And if you end up clicking on the link, Rocket Sales Mentorship, 30-minute phone call. So basically, their whole business model is to give advice and then put a link in the bottom, which is their free private coaching that would supposedly help you and save you. But the thing is, they have no sort of credibility. No one knows who they are. No one knows that they've actually done what they've said, but they're just saying stuff. And while researching about this topic, I came across the perfect example of my problem. All right, let's see if this guy's got any value to give. Which one? The first one?
Yeah. How I made the fastest. Let's see what progress.
Bro, he's been alive for like 3 months, bro.
Let me tell you a story. It was
he's forcing that voice.
How old do you think this kid is? Like 14?
Bro, notice the question mark at the end.
Wait, what? How I made the... Why is he asking... He's asking us how he made. Bro, what the hell? Bro's asking the viewer if he made progress.
Look at the thumbnail. Bro went into a changing room.
How I got respect from other men. Bro, he's a boy. Why is he calling like men? Hey, what's the bet? This video right here has him waking up at 5 a.m. Watch.
As for my morning routine, I integrated in it a little walk, just like a 20-minute walk. I'm literally like, I'm in awe. Because it's not even 6 a.m. right now.
Yep.
And I'm here.
See, what I tell you. It always... Description, sir. If you want to get my private... Yeah, piss off.
Let me tell you a story. They'll literally mock and bully you for you.
Bro, this advice is everywhere, man. If you look at this photo, how old do you think this guy is? He looks like solid 13, 14 years old. And if you go through his videos, this man is giving dating advice. This guy's giving religion advice. This guy's giving all sorts of advice for a 14-year-old. I've been alive longer than this guy has been in the world. Becoming consistent, everything. Time to move on. Young men. Bro, what do you mean young men? He's young. How is he giving all this advice? Like, who is this guy?
Video that might change your life. And it is basically where I give you the timeline of self-improvement. Now,
Okay, so timeline of self-improvement. Brother, this guy looks like he's 14. He hasn't even experienced the world to give like advice in a sense. Like imagine you're like a 25-year-old, right? And you're struggling with being consistent and you go on YouTube and this guy shows up. Okay, he might be consistent, yeah, 14-year-old, but like there's no proof of this guy being consistent, and I'll get to that point later. But why would you take advice from a 14-year-old who has been alive half your age and has no proof of what he's saying? This bro doesn't provide value because all the information that he's saying has been said by bigger YouTubers. So you've heard of him, right? So this guy, he's like the self-improvement, like dopamine, like guru type guy. These clones, they basically watch the big dogs, right? And they take advice from them, and all they do is just parrot it. Like, they literally parrot the same advice, and then they have their courses in the descriptions right there. Another good example, you've probably seen him around, Ali. He is literally the exact same as HAMZA, exact copy same.
I know that sounds like a silly question, but just answer it truthfully. When was the last time that you touched grass? When?
This is so cringe.
I remember being this one guy, and you probably know or relate to one of these guys that I'm going to talk about. This one guy that would always somehow...
Jeffrey is happy exactly how he is.
I'm fine. Video games aren't even that bad for you.
He doesn't realize.
Dudes, do you see the similar...
Order shit from Amazon, order food online, and he'd get it for free.
Do you see what I'm talking about? And then, once again, you go and click the first link in their description. Project 10K, warning, classified content. And he basically just sugarcoats something that is his private community, which you gotta pay monthly for.
What the fuck am I doing? All you need is a service or a product or knowledge or information, anything that you can give to someone and they will give you money in exchange for it.
Bro, that's the exact same thing that the big dogs parrot, bro. They all talk about this figure called 10K per month. We gotta make money. We gotta hit 10K a month, 10K a month. And the thing is, 10K a month has been set by HAMZA as like a good goal, and they take it as like, my Lord and Savior has said 10K a month, so I need to make 10K a month. It's like they don't have a brain of their own to think and set a goal for themselves, that they're letting these big dogs set the goals for them. Main way to find out if someone is a clone or not is this guy. So he looks like an average dude, right? Who's giving 10K a month advice. Watch this.
And what I'm going to do in this video is explain these principles to you in step-by-step form, and I'm going to show you what lessons I learned and when. Now, if you don't know who I am and you have no idea like who I am and whether or not you should listen to me, well, I can just show you where I live quickly, because these lessons here that I'm about to explain on this whiteboard, they put me in a very nice house and a very nice place. And as you can see here, this is my house. I live on the Palm in Dubai, yada yada.
Look at this. So this guy, before giving advice, he shows you that he's credible. These clones, all of these people, they don't show you any sort of proof that they're credible. That's the biggest difference. Same with this one. So I was watching this guy and I watched the entire video of his, right? And he's talking about how to get rich on YouTube. Look, this is his channel.
So before I get into my method on the easiest way to get rich, I'm going to show you guys a little information of something. This is my most viewed video. I uploaded it August 14, 2023. It got 128,000 views. I'm going to click on the analytics and show you how much I made off of that.
See, this guy is showing legit proof that he knows what he's talking about. Same with this guy. So I found out about this guy recently as well, and I watched one of his videos. Which one? It was this one. Watch.
YouTube, what's going on?
See, he's literally standing behind $250,000 cars. He's showing that he knows what he's talking about. But these clones, they don't have any sort of proof of what they're talking about. They just turn on the camera and just parrot the same information that HAMZA gave 2 months ago. So that is my biggest concern with these clones. This needs to stop because it's kind of ruining the self-improvement space. Everyone's just turning on the camera, like they're just turning on their phone camera and just saying information, giving dating advice, giving life advice when they haven't even experienced any of that, giving financial advice when they literally, their bank account's like $1,000 in it. I'm not hating on these people. I'm just saying like it's annoying at this point. Yeah, hope you enjoyed this video and leave a like because I'm going to be posting more of these, and yeah, I'll see you in the next one. All right, love you. Bye.